Welcome everybody on today's online class. I am here with you, MD Anisur Rahman, lecturer English, Gopalpur School and College, Manirampur, Jashore. Today I am going to take a class on English first part, class 11, Unit 1, Lesson 1, Page 1. Today's topic is the unforgettable history. We everybody know that the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, declared the historical speech on Racecourse Maidan on 7th March 1971. The brief collection of that historical speech here today we are going to discuss together. First of all, let us go to know the learning outcomes of today's lesson. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer to the short questions. I have fixed for you from this passage for 5 questions or 4 short questions. Dear students, because of coronavirus, COVID-19, now you are at home and become ready to open at page 1 of your English first part. Let us go to start the opening of this passage. My brothers, I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with grief. You are fully aware of the events that are going on and understand their import. We have been trying to do our best to cope with the situation, and yet, unfortunately, the streets of Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi and Rangpur are awash with the blood of our brothers. The people of Bengal now want to be free, the people of Bengal now want to live, and the people of Bengal now want their rights. What have we done that was wrong? After the elections, the people of Bangladesh voted as one for me for the Awami League. We were to sit in the National Assembly, draft a constitution for ourselves there, and build our country. The people of this land would thereby get economic, political, and cultural freedom. But it is with regret that I have to report to you to say that today that we have passed through 23 tragic years. Bengal's history of those years is full of stories of torture inflicted on our people, of blood shed by them repeatedly. 23 years of a history of men and women in agony. Till this, you have already read out with me and understood the real meaning of the first part of this whole passage. Now, as your homework, I will write some short questions for you. Question number A, short questions. I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with grief. I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with grief. With a heart overflowing grief. Who is the speaker here? Try to find out who is the speaker here and write down on your khata who is the speaker here. Question number B. Which places were washed with the blood? Question number B. Which places were washed with blood? Question number C. What kind of freedom did the Bengalis want? Question number D. Why did the people vote for me for the only year? Today, these 4 short questions I am going to give you to answer to these 4 questions as your homework. And after Corona break, you will show it to your class teacher. No more today. Thank you everybody.